The ILIFE H70/H70Plus cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is a top-notch cleaning solution that makes everyday tidying a breeze. Its robust suction power efficiently tackles dirt, pet hair, and debris, and its cordless design offers unmatched convenience. You can easily purchase this cleaning powerhouse through the link provided in the video comments. This vacuum cleaner's versatility is further enhanced by its range of attachments, including crevice tools and brush accessories, making it suitable for a variety of cleaning tasks. With its transparent dustbin and washable filter, maintenance is a cinch. In summary, the ILIFE H70/H70Plus cordless handheld vacuum cleaner is a must-have tool for a cleaner and healthier living space, available for purchase via the link in the video comments.